Let's take another question. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above from the surface of water of a lake is 60 degree. Angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above from the surface of water of a lake is 30 degree, and angle of depression of its reflection or shadow in water is 60 degree. Then find the height of the cloud from the surface of the water. Okay, surface of the water. Clear? Suppose this is cloud. Okay, now this is water level. This is water level. Okay, this is water level. Suppose A, B. A, B is water level. Okay, B is the point here. AB is surface of the water. Now C is the cloud. Clear? This is water. This is water level. Okay. This is water area. Clear? And shadow of C is here. D. Clear? This is shadow. This is the height of the cloud from surface BC. Okay, or this is the shadow of the cloud in water. Clear? Now, angle of elevation of cloud from a point 60 meter above the surface of the water. That is, suppose from AB, from A, this height is 60 meter. 60 meter. Okay, this is the point P. So from this point, angle of elevation of C is 30, and reflection of C is D, that is shadow in water. So angle of depression of D from P is 60 degree. Clear? So for drawing diagram, we have to draw horizontal line through observing point P. So draw perpendicular from here, because this is water level. So parallel line to this, that is draw perpendicular on CD. Suppose this is Q. Okay. Now this is what? 30 degree. This is angle of elevation of C from P. Now this is angle of depression 60 degree of D from P. Clear? We have to find the height of the cloud from surface of the water. This, that is if this is 60, then because both line are parallel, this is also perpendicular, this is also perpendicular, so this is rectangle, so 60, this is also 60. Suppose CQ equals to x. Suppose CQ equals to x meter. Clear? Now we have to find the value of what? BC. This is the height of the cloud from water level, that is surface of water of the lake. BC. We have to find BC. Clear? What? BC. BC equals to 60 plus x meter. So x we have to find. Clear? Now from here, first in right triangle PQC, 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 cot of 30, cot of 30 equals to what? Cot. 10 means perpendicular base, base by perpendicular. If this is 30, then this is perpendicular. So base by perpendicular, that is PQ by CQ. PQ by CQ. PQ means, suppose PQ here, and then Q means what? CQ means X. So, and also cot 30 means what? Root 3. Cot 30 means, because tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3, so cot 30 equals to root 3 equals to PQ by X. So from here we get PQ equals to what? Root 3 X. Clear? Equation 1. And also in right triangle PQD, PQD, cot of 60 equals to 60. This is cot 60 means perpendicular is QD. Perpendicular is QD, base is PQ. So base by perpendicular, that is PQ by QD. Cot 60 means tan 60 what? Root 3. The cot 60 1 by root 3. Okay, equals to what? PQ upon QD means QB plus BD. Okay, now this is equals to what? PQ upon QB means 60 plus, because this is shadow or reflection of C is D, so BD equals to BC. So BD equals to BC. Since BD equals to BC. Okay, this is the reason. Now here we can write root 3 of 1 by root 3 equals to PQ upon 60 plus BC means what? 60 plus X. 60 plus X. From here we can write 1 by root 3 equals to PQ by X plus 120. 60 120. Now solve it. X plus 120 multiply equals to root 3 PQ. that is PQ equals to what? X plus 120 upon root 3. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. Clear? Now, here PQ equals to this. Here PQ equals to this. Our target is what? Finding X equals to. Now, from 1 and 2, we can equate the value, these two value. So, from 1 and 2, we get equate these two value, root 3x equals to x plus 120 upon root 3. Now solve it. Root 3 multiply to here, then 3x. What? 3x equals to x plus 120. Now solve. X left side, then 3x minus x equals to 120 implies 2x equals to what? 120 implies x equals to 60. Okay, x की value 60 आ गया. Clear? Now our target is what? Finding the value of BC, that is the height of the cloud. BC is 60 plus x. X go to 60. 60 plus 60, 120. So the height. So the height the height of cloud C from surface of water of lake equals to BC equals to x plus 60 equals to 60 plus 60 equals to 120 meter. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Okay, so this type of technique, drawing diagram and making angular elevation, angle of depression are very important for solving questions of this exercise 9.1. So remember it and try to solve. Okay. Question 6 of exercise 9.1. Here 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to top of the building increase from 30 degree to 60 degree. As he walks towards the building, find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay, so let us try to solve this. For consider on the following diagram. Clear? Now here this is the building AB. Clear? Now 1.5 meter tall boy is here. He is walking towards the building. Okay. Suppose we are supposing this type of notation. Here boy is 1.5 meter tall. Okay. And so PQ equals to 1.5 meter. Boy is walking towards the building. That is, building is 30 meter tall. This is building. Clear? Now
building, AB's building. So AB equals to 30 degree, 30 meter, sorry, 30 meter. Clear? Now, given that angle of elevation from initial point Q, that is eye level of this boy, to top of the building is 30 degree, that is this is 30 degree. Okay, this is horizontal line from eye level. So this is 30 degree, and hence angle APC, APC, here is C. Okay, in between here is C. So APC is equals to 30 degree. This is the position. Now do like this, drawing like this. Okay, see. Now boy moves from Q to the point R. Q point, boy moves from Q to R. Okay. Angle of elevation changes to 60 degree. Angle of elevation changes to 60 degree here. This is horizontal line from eye level. Okay. That is angle ASC is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay. Here PQ and CB are parallel line. You see PQ and CB, these are parallel lines, vertical lines. So PQ and CB both are equal to 1.5 meters. Clear? Now AC is equals to what? AB minus CB. AB minus CB, that is 30 minus 1.5 equals to 28.5 meter. That is AC equals to 28.5 meter. So we are getting like this. AC equals to what? 28.5 meter. 30 meter means AB total, or AC is equals to 28.5 meters. Clear? Now also PC and QB, you can see PC and QB parallel lines. Clear? So value of QR, we have to find out value of QR, because boy walking towards to the building from Q to R, so we have to find this distance QR, that is PS. Clear? And so PS equals to QR and SC equals to RB. Clear? Both are equal. Similarly, both are equal. Okay. Now, since tower is vertical, that is ACP is equals to here 90 degree. That is in the right angle triangle APC. This is big triangle APC. 30 degrees angle, and front side is perpendicular will be AC, that is 28.5, and PC. Okay, so perpendicular by base, that is we have to use trigonometric ratio tan theta. So tan of P equals to side opposite to the angle P and side adjacent to the angle P. So tan P equals to what? AC by PC. Now AC equals to 28.5 PC, 1030 1 by root 3. Clear? 1030 1 by root 3. So 28.5 by PC. That is PC equals to 28.5 in root 3. Clear? This is the value of PC. PC. Now we have to find SC. Clear? In the right angle triangle ASC, also use trigonometric ratio 10. 10 side opposite to the angle SC, side adjacent to the angle S, that is tan S equals to SC by SC. SC equals to 28.5. Tan S angle S equals to 60. So tan 60 root 3. SC 28.5. SC equals to 28 by root 3. Clear? SC equals to. Now we have to find PS equals to PC minus SC. Now PC equals to what? PS plus SC. Therefore, putting the values here, all values we are getting. So PC 28.5, 28.5 root 3, PS we have to find, SC 28.5 by 3. Now solve it. Okay, transferring this value on the left hand side, PS equal to this. Now solving, PS equals to 21 minus this, Now taking LCM root 3, this root 3, 3 into 25, 28.5 minus this. Now 3 times of this, so 2 times of this. Okay. So PS equals to 28.5 to 2 times of this, that is PS equals to this into 2 by root 3. Now rationalizing root 3, multiply root 3 numerator and denominator, then in denominator 3 and numerator 28 into this. So 57 into 2 into 28.5, 57 into root 3 by 3 divided this 19 root 3 meter. So PS equals to 19 root 3 meter. Clear? So since QR equals to PS, that is QR equals to 19 root 3 meter. That is our requirement. Okay, hence the tall boy walked 19 root 3 meter towards the building. Okay, this was the solution of question 6 of exercise 9.1. Okay, question 7 of exercise 9.1. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Angle of elevation, top and bottom. Find the height of the tower. Elevation bottom and top of the transmission tower. Okay. Point of ground. So let us try to solve solution. Let the building be AB. AB be the building. This is AB building. Okay. And tower be CA. CA. This is tower. Okay. ABB building 20 meter long building, high building. Okay. And building is 20-meter high. This. Okay. This is the ground point on a ground. So AB equals to what? 20 meters. And let point of ground be P. Ground, this P be the point on the ground. Okay. So angle of elevation from point P to bottom of the tower a 45 degree. This is A. A is here. This is bottom of the tower from bottom of the tower. So angle of elevation of the bottom of the tower from P is 45 degree. That is angle APB. Hence APB equal to 45 degree. Similarly, angle of elevation of from the point P top of the tower is 60 degree. That is CPB. CPB equals to 60 degree. So both pure angle. Now let us consider. Now we have to find the height of the tower. That is this CA height. This is the question mark. Okay, this we will try to find this value. Now just consider diagram like this. Okay, we need to find what CA, AC, AC. This is question mark. Now there are two right angle triangle. Since building is vertical, that's why AB or CA is perpendicular to the PB. That's why ABP is 90 degree. Now in right angle triangle APB, that is 45 degree angle is here. We have to use what? 10 ratios. So 10P equals to side opposite to the angle P, that is this AB, side adjacent to the angle P, that is PB, that is AB upon PB. AB equals to 20, 10P, P equals to 45 degree, 45 degree, 10, 45 equals to 1 and equal 20, 20 PB, PB equals to 20. That is we get PB equals to 20. The value of PB equals to 20 degree, 20 meter. Okay. We have to find CA. Now in next triangle, that is CPB, that is similarly in the right angle triangle CPB, the big triangle, angle is 60 degree. Now also use 10P equals to what? Side opposite to the angle P for this triangle and side adjacent to the angle P. that is side means CB, where CB, BC, BC by PB, BC by PB, 10B. Okay, this. Now P means here 60 degree. BC, BC means what? B plus CA, PB 20, BC by 20. Okay, here BC equals to 20 root 3. Now BC, we find the value of BC. Okay, we have to find CA na. So BC equals to 20 root 3. Okay, now AB plus AC equals to AB plus AC, since AB plus AC, because AB plus AC equals to BC, that is BC equals to what? AB plus AC, AB plus AC, AB plus AC, BC equals to this, AB plus AC. That's why AB plus AC, BC, in place of BC put AB plus AC equal to 20 root 3. Here 20, AB means what? 20. So 20 plus AC equal to this. So AC equals to 20 root 3 minus 20, common out, 20 root 3 minus 1, that is AC equals to 20 root 3 minus 1. Hence, height of the tower equals to AC equals to 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. Clear? So, that was the solution of question 7 of exercise 9.1. Okay. Question 8 of exercise 9.1. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So here, for solving, let us consider this diagram. Here pedestal is AB, AB is pedestal, okay, and statue is AC, 1.6 meter high, okay, and we have to find the pedestal, height of the pedestal, that is AB. Clear? Question mark is here. Now height of the pedestal AB, okay, and length of the statue 1.6 meter. Clear? And 1.6 meter AC equals to 1.6 meter. Angle of elevation of the top of the statue, okay, top of the statue is 60 degree from the point this, 60 degree. That's why CPB equals to 60 degree, this angle, and also angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, that is A. Angle of elevation of A from P is 45 degree, that is angle APB is 45 degree. Clear? So let us draw plane diagram, okay, like this. Clear? Here we need to find the height of the pedestal AB. Clear? Now, since a statue is perpendicular to the ground, therefore angle ABP equals to 90 degree. Here, in this triangle ABP, we use 10 ratio, okay, 10P equals to what? Side opposite to the angle P, AB, side adjacent to the angle P, that is PB. Clear? 10P equals to AB by PB, BP. Now 10P, P means 45 degree, AB by BP, 40, 10, 45, 1. So AB equals to BP. So we get BP equals to AB. That is PB equals to AB. These both are equal. Equation 1. Clear? Now, in big triangle, similar in right angle triangle CBP, 10P equals to side opposite to the angle P, that is here side will be CB, BC, complete, and side adjacent to the angle P, that will be PB. So 10P equals to BC or CB by BP. Now 1060 CB by BP, 1060 means root 3, like this. So we get root 3 BP equals to CB. Clear? That is BP equals to AB from in our equation 1. So from equation 1 we write BP equals to AB, that is CB equals to root 3 AB. Okay, and CB equals to can be write CA plus AB, AC plus AB. Since AC plus AB, that's why in place of CB we write AC plus AB. Clear? Now from here, transferring AB, put the value of AC equals to 1.6, and transferring AB on the left side. So this root 3 AB minus AB equals to 1.6. Now taking common out AB, so root 3 minus 1, AB equals to 1.6. Clear? Now we have to find the value of AB. So here AB equals to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Clear? Denominator contains root sign, so we have to rationalize this. Clear? So rationalizing root 3 plus 1, so multiply in numerator and denominator. Now in denominator, a minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square means root 3 square minus 1 square. 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, in denominator 3 minus 1, 2. 1.6 by 2. Clear? That is 0.8. 1.6 divided by 2, 0.8 root 3 plus 1. So the pedestal, height of the pedestal is, hence height of the pedestal is AB equals to 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. Clear? So this is the solution of question 8 of exercise 9.1. Okay.